What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm sorry if the video or audio is a little iffy on this video. I'm actually doing this with my iPhone. I can't find my other GoPro battery, and the one in my GoPro is dead, so that's my fault for not charging it. So yeah, the video quality should be pretty good as well as the audio, but I wanted to show you guys what I got in the mail. So check it out. All right, so I've been waiting about a month. The first time I ordered this, they sent me the wrong ones. They were for a different car altogether, not even for a Volkswagen. I mean, it was completely in left field. So these are the correct ones, and I'm going to attempt to record and install these, you know, with two hands. So bam, very good quality. Other than, you know, the engraving at the top there and the two adjustment screws. That's what a stock paddle shifter looks like on a Mk6 GLi. And the other one. So, it should look something like... It should look something like that. Come on, focus. Oh well. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and put these on and tighten them down. But yeah, I think that's gonna look super dope. What do you guys think? Stock versus not. Alright, so I went ahead and already adjusted these two here. All I had to do was tighten them. It comes with this little Allen key. I think this is called an Allen key. But it comes with that, and also comes with 3 additional adjustment screws. So there's 3 in each paddle. There's one here, and then one at the bottom right there. Same thing on the other side. I haven't mounted this one yet. One there, and then those 2. So what you do is all you do is slip it on. Of course, you're probably gonna have to, come on, there you go. You're gonna have to loosen these screws first when you get the kit, and slip the paddle shifter over, and then tighten them down. So I went ahead and tightened the top 2. So I'm gonna see if I can do this and record at the same time. Where are you at? Oh, nope, it's not gonna let me. Anyways, that's all you do is tighten that down, and what it does is it basically wraps itself around that paddle so it doesn't come off. So I'll go ahead and tighten this one down and show you what it looks like. Alright, so the passenger side of the steering wheel, the upshift paddle is on. The only downside I see to this is how it mounts to the paddle. You see those 2 adjustment screws? What they're actually doing is they're grabbing that paddle as it's tightening on both sides. So if I were to take this paddle off, you would probably see 2 marks on the top and 1 on the bottom. So that would be my only downfall. And yeah, I need to put some air in my tire because it's getting low. Oh man, I'm almost at 34,000 miles. Oh goodness. But that's the bottom adjustment screw there, and all 3 are tight. And that clicking you hear is the paddle. That's just how it sounds when it releases. If you do it without it, I mean, that's just the paddle itself, the factory paddle making that noise. But I love the fact that I have red paddles now. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten the left side, and it'll be all done. Well, there you go, guys. It's all said and done, all tightened, and both paddles work fine. Like I said, that noise you're hearing is the paddles themselves, not the extensions. And I did get these. See if I can show this on camera. It doesn't say, hang on. No. So I'll put the listing in the description below where I got these. They're from PinAlloy Accessories, and they are an Instagram page, also a website. So make sure you guys get these. They are freaking awesome, aside from how they mount. If you guys are worried about you know, marks being there, I'm not going to take these off. And if for some reason one of these screws completely undoes itself or unscrews itself, I have 3 other replacements that came in the kit. So yeah guys, that's it. I mean, they of course travel with the steering wheel, but if anyone's worried about clearance from your fingers and the stalk, I mean, I have smaller fingers and hands to begin with than the average, you know, girthy hand from a guy, but I can put 2 fingers between the extension and the paddle, or I'm sorry, between the stalk and the paddle extension itself. So I don't have any issues, you know, in that department. And the other side, you know, plenty of room there. So all in all, I think these are great to put on your Volkswagen GLi Mark 6 or your Jetta if you have paddles. So yeah guys, I think that looks amazing. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one, guys.